So for the rest of this section, we're going to work with different operations with matrices. And we're going to start by adding and subtracting. So in order to add and subtract matrices, they must have same dimensions. They have to be the same size. So let's say you have a matrix A, which is 2, 3, 4, -1, and you have a matrix B that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can't add or subtract these because one's a 2 by 2 and the other is a 2 by 3. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 and this is a 2 by 3. So you can't have that. So we're not going to be able to add those. Now, if I say A is 2, 3, 4, -1, and C is 0, 7, 6, 3, those I can add. Okay, so how do we add them? We add them element to element. You add element to element. Meaning you're going to take A in the first row, first column, and add C from the first row, first column. And you're going to get a new matrix. Okay, so one way we write this is we go, whoops, we just copy down the matrices. You could write it like this. There's a lot of copy work with matrices. Anyway, I'm going to add the 2 and the 0, so that will be 2. Then I'm going to add the 3 and the 7, that'll be 10. Then I'm going to add the 4 and the 6, that'll be 10. And then I'm going to add, let's do it in orange, -1 and 3, which would be 2. So there's my new matrix, and those are the elements in it. And that would be A plus C. This would represent A plus C. Now to subtract them, so let's say I wanted to go A minus C, I'm going to do the same thing, 2, 3, 4, -1, minus 0, 7, 6, 3. So I just have to subtract the elements. So I'm thinking, what's 2 minus 0? What's 3 minus 7? What's 4 minus 6? And what's -1 minus 3? And so this would be A minus C. Okay, so that's just how you add and subtract matrices. Somewhat intuitive, that's probably maybe what you were thinking. Okay, properties. Addition, matrix addition, is commutative. So and the way we write this is A plus B is equal to B plus A. It's also associative. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So it doesn't matter which two you add together first. Addition is commutative and associative for matrices.